Monday, IU Health is suspending all of its inpatient elective surgeries and procedures. In a statement, the healthcare system says they are dealing with more COVID-19 patients and they want to make sure there's enough space to treat those who are critically ill, as well as relief pressure on their care teams. Elective surgery patients are being notified now. The suspension will last at least 2 weeks. IU Health has now passed its deadline for all staff to be vaccinated against COVID-19. Hospital system reports 97% are fully vaccinated, but others are suspended right now. Fox 59's Lindsay Stone joins us now in the newsroom to explain how these requirements, Lindsay, are impacting Indiana businesses right now and what options employees have.
IU Health set a deadline of September 1st for all employees to get vaccinated. Today I spoke with IU officials to find out what the consequences are for those who did not comply with the mandate.
The whole point of vaccination and public health efforts is about we and us.
As of the September 1st deadline, IU Health tells us 97% of employees have complied, and around 300 employees have been suspended because they didn't. IU Health wouldn't talk with us today, though officials did tell us employees who did not get vaccinated have been placed on a 2-week unpaid suspension. They can return to work if they get vaccinated or risk getting fired, something experts say is legal.
And employers have had a fair amount of latitude in determining what rules they can make and apply to their employees.
Franciscan Health is also requiring staff be vaccinated and required employees submit proof of vaccination status by August 31st. While Franciscan wouldn't provide the percentage of employees who are vaccinated, it told us officials are working on the logistics of monitoring and enforcing vaccine requirements.
We need to come together, and the vaccination is the way out of this.
Zach Cattell with the Indiana Healthcare Association supports the vaccine efforts, including the federal mandate for long-term care staff.
We've been on a pretty steady uptick over the last 4 weeks of vaccination uptake, going from 51% now up to 56%, and I expect that to continue to grow.
However, he's concerned why it was only for long-term care and not for other healthcare facilities.
And so it doesn't make sense when that patient leaves the nursing home and seeks care in a facility that doesn't have a mandate. They'll be exposed, so to speak, at risk of encountering other unvaccinated healthcare workers.
Major companies in Indiana are also requiring vaccination. Eli Lilly is giving employees until November 15th. Salesforce is requiring employees in the office be vaccinated, and it's allowing the option of remote work. And we did ask IU Health if it and that mandate encouraged employees to get the vaccine. We were told officials didn't track that information. Reporting live in the newsroom, Lindsay Stone, Fox 59 News.
Lindsay, thank you.